This is JNR. Now we discuss orthocenter of a triangle. Now we find out orthocenter of the triangle. Two models are there. First model, points. First model is given points. Points are given. Now we find out orthocenter. Next, second model, equations. Equations are given. Then we find orthocenter. This is the first model. Orthocenter of the triangle. First of all, draw a triangle. A, B, C. These are three vertices. A, -2, -1, B, 6, -1, C, 2, 5. These are three vertices. Orthocenter. What is the orthocenter? Altitudes of a triangle are concurrent. Altitudes. Now we draw altitude. This altitude is perpendicular to BC. Now this is B. Next, again draw another altitude. Altitude. This is altitudes are perpendiculars. So AD bar is perpendicular to BC bar. B bar is perpendicular to AC bar. This is the orthocenter. Orthocenter. So first of all, let A -2, -1, B 6, -1, C 2, 5. Be the vertices. Be the vertices of given triangle. Given triangle. Vertices of given triangle. Next, we find out the AD bar equation. AD bar equation find out means what is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. First of all, AD bar is the perpendicular to BC bar. So, first of all, we find the slope of BC bar. Slope of BC bar equal to what is the B? 6 minus 1, x1, y1, x2, y2. And now we write what is the formula? y2 minus y1, 5 minus y1 minus 1 by x2 minus x1, 2 minus 6. x1, y1, x2, y2, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That equal to 5 minus into minus plus 1 by 2 minus 6 minus 4. That equal to 5 plus 1, 6 by minus 4. Now second table is cancelled. Minus 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Minus 3 by 2. This is the slope of BC bar is minus 3 by 2. And next AD bar is perpendicular to BC bar. AD bar is perpendicular to BC bar. Then slope of AD bar equal to slope of AD bar equal to this slope is m. AD bar slope, this is the perpendicular line, minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by m. And now we write minus 1 by m. M is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Minus minus cancel. Now we write this one, this fraction, denominator to numerator. 3 by 2 is reciprocal 2 by 3. This is the slope of AD bar. Next we write equation of AD bar. Equation of AD bar is, what is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now we consider this point is x1 y1. x1 is minus 2, y1 is minus 1. Y minus y1. Y minus y1. y1 is minus 1 equal to m. Which is slope? AD bar slope. What is the AD bar slope? 2 by 3. M into x minus x1. X minus x1. x1 how much? Minus 2. Y minus y1. Y minus y1 is minus 1 equal to m into AD bar slope is 2 by 3 into x minus x1. x1 is minus 2. That implies y minus minus into minus plus y plus 1 equal to 2 by 3 into x minus into minus plus 2. By using cross multiplication, that implies 3 into y plus 1 equal to 2 into x plus 2. That implies 3 into y 3y plus 3 into 1 3. 2 into x 2x plus 2 2s are 4. Now we take this term LHS to RHS. Now we write this one 2x. Now we take this term LHS to RHS. That constant we write RHS to LHS. 3 plus 4 it becomes minus 4 equal to 2x. Now we write this one minus 3y. We take this term LHS to RHS. That implies 3 minus 4 minus 1 equal to 2x minus 3y. Now we write this one, that implies 2x minus 3y equal to minus 1. Equation 1. 2x minus 3y equal to minus 1. Next one. This is the AD bar equation. Next we will find out BE bar equation. Slope, these 2 points, slope of AC bar. Slope of AC bar equal to, now we consider x1 y1, x2 y2. y2 minus y1. 5 minus of y1 minus 1 by x2 minus x1. 2 minus of minus 2. That equal to 5 minus into minus plus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 2. 5 plus 1, 6 by 4. 2 table is cancelled. 3 2s, 2 2s. 3 by 2. 3 by 2. This is the slope of AC bar. Next, BE bar is perpendicular to AC bar. BE bar is perpendicular to AC bar. Then slope of BE bar equal to slope of BE bar. Slope of AC bar how much? 3 by 2. So BE bar is the perpendicular line. So minus 1 by m. Slope of BE bar is minus 1 by m. That equal to minus 1. Slope of BE bar is minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by m. M is 3 by 2. And now we write this one minus. Now we write denominator to numerator. Write reciprocal 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. This is slope of BE bar. Next we find out equation of BE bar. Equation of BE bar is y minus y1. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now BE bar means B. B is considered x1 y1. Y minus y1. Y minus y1 is minus 1. equal to m means slope of b bar. What is the slope of b bar? Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 into x minus x1, 6. That implies y minus into minus plus 1 equal to minus 2 by 3 into x minus 6. That implies by using cross multiplication 3 into y plus 1 equal to minus 2 into x minus 6. That implies 3 into y, 3y plus 3 into 1, 3 equal to minus 2 into x, minus 2x minus into minus plus 2, 6 are 12. Now we take this term, x from RHS to LHS. That implies 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Now we take this term LHS. 2x plus 3y equal to 12 minus 3. Now we write this one, 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y equal to 12 minus 3, 9. This is equation 2. Equation 1 is AD bar equation. Equation 2 is B bar equation. Solving these two equations, we get orthocenter. So, solving 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. Now, equation 1, 2x minus 3y equal to 2x minus 3y equal to minus 1. Now, what is the second equation? 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y equal to 9. Now, observe this one here, 2x minus 3y, here plus 3y. Now, adding these two are cancelled by using addition. Plus 3y minus 3y is cancelled. 2x plus 2x, 4x equal to minus 1 plus 9. 9 minus 1, 8. That implies x equal to 8 by 4. That equal to 2 times cancel. 4 2s are 8. X value is 2. Now substituting this value in equation 1 or 2. So put this value. Put this value in 1. 2x minus 3y. 2x. 2 into x. X is 2. Minus 3y equal to minus 1. That implies 2 2s are 4 minus 3y equal to minus 1. That implies minus 3y equal to minus 1. Now we take this term LHS to RHS. Plus 4 it becomes minus 4. That implies minus 3y equal to minus 5. Here minus minus is cancelled. That implies y equal to 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Here x equal to 2. Y equal to 5 by 3. X, y, that is the orthocenter. Therefore, orthocenter equal to orthocenter of the triangle. Orthocenter equal to x value how much? 2. Y value 5 by 3. X value 2. Y value 5 by 3. This is the orthocenter of the triangle. Okay, once observe this one. This is the first model, orthocenter. Okay, viewers. Thank you. Please like and share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.